What's up, you guys? Today I am going to show you how to screen record on your iPhone after iOS 11.3, I believe. Now, I know this is pretty old, but I'm barely getting around to it. I've been super busy, so let's go. Now, what we want to do is go into settings, find central control center. Now, you want to allow access within the apps, customize control. Now, if you do not have the screen record like it shows right here, that shows include, but if it's more in controls, you have to add it, because this will not allow you to record like I am doing right now with the mic. So once you go back, swipe up. Now what you want to do, you see that little red, that's how you know that it's on your menu if you don't have that already. Now what you want to do is press and hold that where it's showing the red, that screen record. Press and hold on it for about 2 seconds, then something will pop up, and let's see, and it shows screen recording, stop recording, and then microphone on. Now what we did in control center allowed you to enable your microphone. So from there on, select it and hit screen record, and that's how easy to screen record your Apple iPhone or whatever Apple product you use, like an iPad. Allows you to screen record with the mic like how I'm talking. Alright guys, this is a quick and easy tutorial. Hope you like it. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit a comment down below, and for my next video, I believe iOS is gonna be having another update. I'm not too sure if I'm able to do it, but it is on how to enable dark mode for your whole entire iOS system. Don't quote me on that, but I will show you a video if I'm able to get that. Alright you guys, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.